Have you ever opened your bank app and thought, wait, where did all my money go? Each thing didn't feel expensive. A coffee here, a meal there, a small gift. But then you check your monthly spending and it hits you like a wave. I don't remember spending that much. You are not alone. This happens to almost everyone, even people who think they are careful. In this video, I will share what helped me track my money, the small actions that gave me control again, and the simple steps you can try even if you think you are not good with money. Let's take one step at a time together. When I had my first job, I felt proud. And every month, I'd wonder, where did my money go? I didn't shop a lot. I didn't buy expensive things. But somehow, my bank balance kept shrinking. So one day, I sat down with a notebook, not app, not Excel, just a pen and a paper. I wrote down every small thing I spent that week. Lunches, snacks, subscriptions, random buys. And when I added them up, I was shocked. That moment changed everything. If you want to give it a go, take 10 to 30 minutes, write down everything you spent this week. No pressure, just look at it honestly. Once you see it, things start to make sense. Next, I made something simple, a 3-column list: what I earn, what I must pay, where I could cut down. Right away, I saw my patterns. Too many takeaways, subscription I forgot I had, impulse purchases. I wasn't bad with money, I was just disorganized. If you're curious, draw your own version. Just 3 simple columns: income, necessary expenses, and extra spending. It's much an easy way to feel calm and more in control. Now I want to share 3 practical ways that helped me save money and feel a little more on top of things. Each one is a little more hardcore than the last. See which one suits your needs. First, Operation Pause. My friend Michael did something really smart. He called it Operation Pause. For 2 months, he stopped spending on his gym membership, Netflix, and online shopping. He shopped at Lidl, used free fitness apps, and brought lunch to work. He told me, saving money didn't take away joy, it gave me peace. Even just pausing one expense for a little while can help. It doesn't have to be forever, just long enough to breathe. Second, something I called the Mini Victory Challenge. My friend Linda sold her old keyboard for £40. She said, it's not just the money, it made me feel useful again. When you feel stuck, small actions give you energy. Have a look around your home. Is there something you haven't used in months? Maybe sell one thing, donate another, give the third to someone who might need it. Every little win adds up. Third, the Calm Budget Reset. This one worked best for me. I created a 60-day reset, and I call it my Calm Budget. For 60 days, I only paid for rent or mortgage, utility bills, groceries, and travel to work. No extras, no shopping, no takeaways. At first, it was tough, but soon I felt clear, light, and free. You could try your own 60 or 30-day Calm budget. Give it a name, keep it simple. It's not the punishment, it's a way to make space to think and breathe. Money stress feels heavy, but don't forget you've already done hard things. Moving countries, learning English, going to job interviews, going to work, figuring out how to build your life in a new place. Take a moment and write down 3 big challenges you've overcome. Keep that list nearby. You are stronger than you think. Now, let's talk about something tricky. Investing. If you are like my friend Emma and feeling ambitious about making more money, you might fall into this psychological money trap. She was persuaded to invest in a new startup. She hoped it would grow fast and bring good returns. But in the end, she got nothing back. Her money was gone. To win it back, she jumped into another investment, then another, and another. She told me, I wasn't really thinking. I just keep hoping the next one would work. That's something called the sunk cost fallacy. When you've already put in so much, it feels too hard to stop, because stopping feels like a failure. But sometimes stopping is the smartest thing you can do. Before your next investment, maybe pause and ask, can I afford to lose this money? Do I really understand what I'm doing? Am I making an educated decision or just chasing hope? You hear it all the time. Start a side hustle, buy crypto, grow your money. But maybe right now, you don't need to grow, you need to stabilize. Your best investment might be learning to budget, getting better sleep, or simply feeling calm again. You are not falling behind. You are just walking a different path, and it's okay. Money stress is something many of us carry quietly. We smile at work, we stay silent at home. But it becomes easier when we talk about it. My friend started weekly chats with someone she trusts. They shared tips, laughed at mistakes, and helped each other stay on track. You don't need to ask for money. Just ask things like, how do you plan your spending? Do you use any apps that help? What do you do when things get tight? Even one honest conversation can make things feel a little lighter. If you're living in the UK and feeling stuck with money, you are not alone, and you don't have to figure it all out by yourself. There are organizations that offer free support. I will put the links in my description. Money Helper UK gives tools for budgeting and saving. Citizen Advice helps with bills, housing, and legal questions. Turn to Us can help you check if you are eligible for grants or financial support. Sometimes just knowing where to look can lift the weight a bit. If you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you. This wasn't a get-rich-quick story. This was real life, real feelings, real effort. What's one small thing you might try this week to manage your money? And if this helped you, maybe send it to someone else who quietly trying to figure things out too. Because behind all the quiet smiles, a lot of people are carrying the same questions. Thanks for spending this time with me. I'm still learning too, so let's keep going together. Thank you. See you next time.